One other thing I'd like to address today is medical directives. Okay, we apart from not only Teen has had a lot of issues with her health in the last few months, major issues where we've had to go to quite a few hospitals, different hospitals, and some of our other friends have had issues as well that have taken them to the hospital. It's quite a daunting thing to go to a hospital when you're fighting against the establishment and the medical profession about things they want to put in your body or do to you. It is quite frightening for some people not to be able to stand up when they're at their most vulnerable. So these medical directives, we have them available. If you want to find out more about them, you can contact us on our social media page or our email us or telephone us, whatever you like, and we can give you more information about them. But the medical directives, you can write them out yourself. It's your decision. It's your desires that you put on paper. It's what you want to happen or not to happen to your body while you're in hospital. And you write it out and you put it on paper and you sign it. You get a friend of yours to witness your signature and you leave it and you address it to whatever medical hospital or surgery or whatever you want to go, wherever you need to go. You address it to them at the time when you go there. You hand it to them. It's a legal document and they need to follow your instructions about what you want done with your body. They work because we've handed them out to a lot of hospitals and surgeries and x-ray departments just in the last 3 months. I have handed them out and I've seen them read them. I've seen them discuss it over near their computers. I've seen them come and ask questions about particular parts of the document and what the actual wording means. They've actually queried it. And I've actually heard somebody, they came to me when Teen was having a lot of trouble after one surgery. They came out to me and asked me if they could intubate her. And I said, what does it mean to get oxygen into her lungs? Yes, by all means, do that. What she doesn't want is, blood transfusions from other people that she doesn't know. She doesn't want medicines and pharmaceutical drugs that she has no idea what's in them. She doesn't want all that. If she gets the opportunity to find out, fine. If she doesn't, that's her decision or your decision if you make a medical directive. So it's important to look into this. They do work. The medical fraternity are accepting them. They do. They have to accept them and they have to follow your desires. And if you've got someone there with you that knows what your problem is or what your issue is, they'll know about it too, which is what Teen and I do. And it's not upsetting. I don't care. If they don't like it, I don't care. That's my friend there who's having a lot of trouble with her health. And if they think that I don't know what I'm talking about or she doesn't know what she's talking about, we don't care because we think the opposite. They don't know what they're talking about anymore. They all follow the guidelines of the World Health Organization, who are a criminal entity. They don't want us here. They don't want us to survive. They don't want us healthy. The more healthy we are, the less money they're going to be making. And they're expanding their control all the time. But while you do still have the control over your own body and what goes into it and what happens to it, you need to take that on board and do something for yourself. Who cares if they don't like it? So if you want to find out more about these documents, these medical directives, email us so that we can send you a copy. We can send you a template and you can use it yourself. You can contact us for any information you need or questions you have about them. So don't forget, email us. Do it for yourself. You're not doing it for anybody else. Thank you.